40 years ago, a partnership began in Georgetown, Kentucky, that would reshape the American automotive landscape. Today, Toyota is celebrating that milestone by looking squarely at the future. At its largest manufacturing plant in the world, the company announced a fresh $1 billion investment across its Kentucky and Indiana operations, part of a massive $10 billion commitment to U.S. manufacturing over the next 5 years.
This was a game changer for Kentucky 40 years ago. One of the biggest economic development projects we've ever won, and it really defined Kentucky's manufacturing for several decades. It gave confidence to other businesses that we could do big things here in Kentucky.
This investment isn't just about expanding factory floors. It's about evolving with the driver. In Kentucky, $800 million will prepare the plant for its second battery electric vehicle, while Indiana receives $200 million to boost production of the Grand Highlander. This strategy ensures that Toyota remains agile in a changing market while keeping its roots firmly planted in American soil.
Our investment in the U.S. is all about the long game, driving growth, expanding production, and continuing nearly 70 years of innovation. Toyota's Build Where We Sell philosophy is part of our commitment to put customers first. We design, develop, engineer, and assemble many of our vehicles that we sell here in the U.S. for American customers.
By building where they sell, Toyota supports local suppliers and protects the regional economy from global fluctuations. But for the people of the Commonwealth, the most vital part of this announcement is the promise of decade-long stability. It's a commitment to the families who have powered these lines for generations.
We are excited because we know that this announcement just means that these Toyota jobs will be here in Kentucky the next 30, 40, or 50 years.
Toyota's made a commitment to Kentucky and to Central Kentucky. This is a generational plant.
The $200 million investment means Toyota has confidence in Toyota, Indiana, and our team members that build the quality products for our customers.
That longevity has created a culture that team members describe as a work family, a bond forged over years of shared challenges and successes on the production line.
We really truly become like family because we care about what's going on in each other's lives. We're there for the ups and we're there for the downs. That's when we shine, right? That's when our team members step in and fill in the gap, and you really see that pride and really love for one another that we have here.
To ensure this community thrives for the next 40 years, Toyota is investing in the classroom. From the Driving Possibilities Initiative to a $400,000 grant for Eastern Kentucky University, the focus is on making sure the next generation is ready to lead on day one.
For our students, it's about limitless possibilities through STEM education and career exploration before they graduate high school.
What we need to make sure that we're doing every day is making sure that what we're teaching them is what they need to know to be successful. So the only way to do that is to have partnerships like this to deliver that education that has them workforce ready on day one.
From the first Camry to the next generation of electrified SUVs, Toyota's $1 billion investment is a promise of stability for the next generation of American families.